Hi everyone, it's YDP Jessica, and today we're going to have a fun Friday video about comparing languages. Let's go! Our objective: see the diversity of languages. How many ways do you know how to say hello? These are just 40 of the more than 2,000 ways to say hello. How many did you get? For this activity, we don't need any materials. Keywords. Word order. Order of keywords in a sentence. Reading direction. From which direction a sentence begins. Subject. The who or what of a sentence doing the action, like she. Object. The who or what of a sentence that is receiving the action, like her. Verb. The action word to eat. Ate or eating. Noun. Person, place, or thing. The languages we'll be looking at today are Persian, which is spoken in Iran and Afghanistan, English, which is spoken in the US and UK and other places, Mongolian, which is spoken in Mongolia and China, and Spanish, which is spoken in Mexico, Spain, and other countries. Why these languages? Because I happen to know how to speak these languages a lot or a little bit. So our question today is, are all languages similar? How are they different? Let's find out. So first we have the sentence, I am Jessica. Then, I like dogs. In English, we have the subject, I, followed by the verb, am, followed by Jessica, which is a proper noun. Then we have subject I, verb like, and object dogs. Next is Spanish. Soy Jessica, and me gustan los perros. So of course, soy is the verb, and it kind of shows you the subject too. We have the noun Jessica. Then we also have me gustan, which shows subject and verb, and los perros, which is the object. For many of us, this is a more familiar second language or even first language, and the word order is the same: subject, verb, noun, or object. However, the verb is different because it changes based on the subjects. Next is Mongolian. B, Jessica, Ben. B, Nchund, Derte. So B means I and is the subject. Jessica is Jessica. Ben is am and the verb. So again, B is I. Nchund means dogs, so is the object. And Derte is the verb. You see, the word order is different. It begins with the subject and ends with the verb. This is similar to you saying, I, Jessica, am, I, dogs, like. This is actually what traditional Mongolian language looks like. The script you see is written from up to down and is actually written or read left to right. So the direction of the arrow you see there. Last but not least, we have Persian. Man, Jessica, hastam. Man, salkara, dustaram. So here we actually read right to left, which is different from the other languages. And it also begins with noun and ends with verb, so similar to Mongolian. Like with Spanish, these verbs change depending on who is the subject. Who knew languages could be so different? Well, based on this image here, you can see that there are actually several language families. The two language families we looked at were Indo-European and the Altaic. The red arrows here show you where English, Spanish, and Persian are in the Indo-European family tree. And this slide shows you the Altaic family tree where we see Mongolian. So cool, right? And last, we have a reflection question. So what languages would you like to learn? Which ones might be easier, and which ones might be harder? Where can you hear other languages being spoken? Do you go to these places? And why is knowing how to listen and speak another language important? Here are some additional resources for you to look at. Thank you guys so much for watching, or might I say, Baishla, Mota Tashakoram, and gracias. Bye!